You have to believe in yourself when no one else does. When you have a dream, you've got to grab it and never let go. Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come without leaving happier. Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. The biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself. Some people want it to happen. Some wish it would happen. Others make it happen. It does not matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop. Find out who you are and do it on purpose. You can be everything. You can be the infinite amount of things that people are. Always go with your passions. Never ask yourself if it's realistic or not. Do one thing every day that scares you. It is never too late to be what you might have been. Always do your best. What you plant now, you will harvest later. In 3 words, I can sum up everything I've learned about life. It goes on. You can't help what you feel, but you can help how you behave. No need to hurry. No need to sparkle. No need to be anybody but oneself.